Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to discuss ethology, its history and scope. Ethology is a science dealing with animal behavior, that is, how animals interact with each other and with the environment they live in. Ethology also explains different behavioral patterns of animals like parental care, reproduction, etc. Talking about the history of ethology, we can see many researchers have keenly studied the behavior of animals. These researchers have given very important concepts in animal behavior. Ancient man was a good observer of animal behavior. Best example is he used fire to drive away wild animals because he observed that animals were afraid of fire. And as man became more civilized, his curiosity to understand animal behavior also increased. So, here you can see some important research done in ethology. Charles Darwin, we know him for his theory of evolution by natural selection. He gave the concept of instincts. Imprinting was recorded by Spalding in 1873 but demonstrated and proved by Konrad Lorenz. Konrad Lorenz, Timber, Timbergen, and Carl Frisch are considered to be the architects of modern ethology and were awarded a Nobel Prize in the year 1973 for their important contribution. Now, why we why there is a need to study ethology? What does this branch of science give to mankind? Well, ethology explains reason and mechanism behind specific behavior of individual animal. It teaches us very interesting animal behavior patterns like communication between animals, how animals display their emotions, behavior during mating, reproduction, behavior when animals are happy, angry, irritated, etc. Ethology also gives us knowledge knowledge about prey predator interaction. All this knowledge is very important to maintain ecological balance within the ecosystem. Nowadays nowadays animal behavior research has become increasingly important. So that's for today. Next is the references, and thank you. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning.